In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email connection in Clio Manage 2026 Easy Tutorial. By the end, you'll have your Gmail connected to Clio Manage so you can capture emails directly in your workspace and streamline your Matter communications. First, open Clio Manage and look to the left sidebar. From there, select App Integrations. This is your central hub for connecting Clio to other tools. If you don't see it, make sure you're in the correct account and that you have the permissions to manage integrations. Once you're in App Integrations, scroll or use the search bar to locate Clio for Gmail. This integration is specifically designed to link your Gmail account with Clio Manage so your email workflow stays organized and accessible. Next, start the connection by clicking Download from Google. This will take you to Google's installation page, typically in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Make sure you're in the browser profile for the Google account you actually want to connect. If you manage multiple Gmail addresses, double-check you're using the right one before proceeding. Now sign into Google with the Gmail account you want to connect to Clio Manage. Enter your credentials as you normally would. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that prompt. Staying consistent with the correct account here prevents confusion later when you're saving emails to Matters. Google will ask you to review permissions. Take a moment to read what access is being requested. These permissions allow the integration to read relevant email data so it can sync with Clio Manage. If everything looks good, click Allow to proceed. You're granting the connection the ability to function properly within the boundaries you've reviewed. From here, complete the setup by following the on-screen instructions. The prompts may include confirming the installation and finalizing the connection back to Clio Manage. Keep the browser tab open until you see confirmation that the process is finished. If a brief progress screen appears, let it complete before you navigate away. Finally, return to Clio Manage and go back to App Integrations to verify the connection. You should see the Gmail integration indicated as connected. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment to update. Seeing that connected status confirms that Gmail and Clio Manage are now linked and ready to use, and that's how to set up an email connection in Clio Manage. With this integration in place, you'll save time, keep communications centralized, and make it easier to associate important emails with the right matters. Thanks for watching.